Let's start a new rendering with Twilight. For this, I'm just going to change and to also go on template material to click on the wallpaper. I go on template and I select and I'm going to select textile and wallpaper like this. And I can add little bump also. So I select bump SketchUp and for example I can go like this. So it's okay for that. And for the frame I'm going to stay like that because I'm not going to have something special because it's a picture. So I'm going to stay like that and I'm going to start with the render. And for example I can take this view and I can go on render and for example I would like to change little the size this time and for example I can select for example like this and I start. And this is the rendering from this view, like that.